Anyway, plenty of sunshine to warm things up across the valley today. Everybody topping out in the 90s. Currently 95 in McAllen, still 96 in Edinburgh. We've cooled back to 89 in Port Isabel right now. Harlingen 92. Same thing in Raymondville, 91 degrees at this hour in Brownsville. Dew points a little drier when you got in the ranch land. The Edinburgh Airport out north of town showing a dew point of 69, but everybody else's dew points in the low to mid 70s, which is down a little bit. A couple of days ago, we were showing you a dew point up here at 80, so at least it's a little less humid than what it was. But overnight tonight, dew point will probably come back up, so you'll notice it. Here's what it feels like. Put the temperature and humidity together, with the exception of the coast. It feels like it's over 100 every place, including the feels like temperature of 105 in Rio Grande City. Overnight tonight, readings will bottom out in the upper 70s, 81 at the island, and then tomorrow, right back up in the upper 90s in the west again, about 90 at the beach, about 94 tomorrow afternoon in the Brownsville area. Average high this time of year is 95. Tomorrow will be above that at 97. Friday about the same, and Saturday not far off. We're going 96. Records are all well above 100. They will not be threatened. Pretty quiet over our area. You kind of go wide. You see some rain over the mountains of Mexico to the west. Spotty showers offshore, but nothing overhead here. The dry air has really taken over once you get above the surface. Again, a lot of humidity here at the ground, but the rain falls from up there, and up there it's pretty dry and likely to stay that way for a while. Satellite overnight tonight, or future track shows just patchy clouds, and during the daytime, partly to mostly sunny again. Sea breeze probably not able to activate tomorrow. Should be a dry day, and Friday even less of a chance of rain. I mean, tomorrow we're saying dry, but I'd put about a 5% probability in there. Friday we take it to 0 and keep it that way all weekend long. Saturday partly to mostly sunny, breezy, and very, very warm once again. So we're going dry the next 3 days, and again, I could put the word mainly in there tomorrow because I can't rule out a brief isolated shower in 1 or 2 locations on the sea breeze, but most areas, if not all, will stay rain free. Southeast flow off the Gulf continues to bring lots of humidity in, so you're feeling that, but notice it's humidity. But again, down here at the low levels of the atmosphere, you get up very high, not a whole lot of moisture to work with, and that doesn't change probably until about the middle part of next week. By the time we get to about Tuesday into Wednesday, the 4th of July, by then at least a shot at a shower or two gets into the forecast. We'll look more at that in the next half hour. In the Bay, winds out of the southeast 15 to 20 knots tomorrow. There's a moderate chop. UV's extreme, mostly sunny skies and breezy. The risk of rip currents remains low. There's a high and a low tide. Seas running about 2 to 3 feet. So for tonight, our low 78, partly cloudy, warm, humid, southeasterly winds, and then tomorrow, back up in the upper 90s again, mostly sunny, a little breezier than today, 15 to 25 mile an hour wind out of the southeast during the daytime tomorrow. So here we go, 97s and 96 on Saturday. We hold in the mid 90s all the way through the forecast period. By the 4th of July, we're inserting the chance for a shower or thunderstorm. It's early, we're talking 7 days away, but at least a slight chance of a shower will show up for the middle part of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.